Hey y'all, IRIX guy here, and this is how to screen record the DJI RC. So the first thing you want to do is power on your DJI RC. As you can see there, I'm powering it on. And wait just a moment for it to come up. And now what you can do is swipe 2 times down. See, I swiped twice from the top. And then there's this little button right here, man, that says record screen. So guess what you do? That's right, you click record screen. And then you can see there, now it is recording screen, it counts up. And it'll do that until you click stop. And the good news is that I've found that it hasn't crashed on me. I've recorded screen for several of my Mini 3 Pro videos, and I haven't had any issues with the DJI's RC, with the DJI RC's rather, screen recording failing. So that's how to record the screen of the DJI RC. And you can check out my separate video where I demonstrate how to copy the downloaded screen recording to your computer in case you want to add it to a video or whatever. That's a separate video. Thanks for your viewership. If this video helped, be sure to like this video, subscribe, and ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. And check out all my other drone videos too. Y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, Captain IRIX guy here. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to subscribe. It's youtube.com/IRIX guy. And ring that bell icon when you do to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.